In the heart of a dense forest, two young boys, Sam and Alex, ventured out on an educational trip with their school. Excited chatter filled the air as they followed their guide, Mr. Roberts, deeper into the wilderness. The forest was alive with the sounds of rustling leaves and chirping birds. Mr. Roberts enthusiastically pointed out various plants and animals, explaining their significance in the ecosystem. Sam and Alex listened intently, eager to absorb every detail. As they walked along a narrow path, their laughter suddenly faded into a tense silence. Ahead of them, emerging from the dense foliage, was a magnificent creature. A tiger. Its amber eyes gleamed in the dappled sunlight, its striped coat blending seamlessly with the surrounding greenery. Frozen in fear, Sam and Alex stood rooted to the spot, their hearts pounding in their chests. Mr. Roberts, sensing their unease, calmly instructed them to remain calm and quiet. He whispered assurances that the tiger was likely more scared of them than they were of it, and that they should slowly back. With bated breath, the boys followed Mr. Roberts' guidance, taking slow steps backward. The tiger watched them with a curious gaze, its muscles tense but not threatening. Every rustle of leaves seemed amplified in the tense atmosphere as they edged away from the majestic predator. Finally, they reached a safe distance, and the tension ebbed away as they let out relieved sighs. Mr. Roberts commended them for their composure and reminded them of the importance of respecting the wildlife they encountered. As they continued their journey through the forest, the encounter with the tiger remained etched in their memories. It was a lesson not only in the beauty and danger of nature, but also in the resilience of the human spirit in the face of fear. And though their hearts still raced at the memory, they